Nanobabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. Today's vlog, we would like to thank Ribs and Chops for sending us a whole slab of baby back ribs, 3 pieces of pork chop, and 4 pieces of barbecue. Guys, if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo ko. Tara! Okay, so first off, titikman natin yung kanilang baby back ribs. I mean, check this out, guys. Ooh, look at that. Dark brown yung outer skin niya, outer layer niya, and then in the middle is actually pinkish meat. Ayan. Ang sarap ng sauce. It's a mixture of sweet, sour, minty. Basta, ang sarap, grabe. Whoa, okay, next. So, sobrang tender niya, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung meat niya falls off the bone. And I like yung pinaka-part natin dito sa bony part. Ayan. And super tender na meat. Wow! Pork chop in itself actually is already sauced. Kagandahan dito sa pork chop, guys, yung mga naghahanap ng a little bit of fat, available siya dito with our barbecue sauce. Lagyan natin dito sa taas. Oof! Oh man, look at that! And then kuha tayo dito. Ooh! Sobrang lambot din, guys. Sobra. Halos magbubuhagag siya kapag kinakamay. Okay, more pork chop, please. Oh wow. Tapos yung barbecue naman, let's taste this barbecue right here. Then lagyan din natin siya ng sauce on top. Wow. Ooh. Okay, one more. Let's dip it to our barbecue sauce. Mashed potato. This is so heavenly. So guys, sa baby back ribs, available yung whole slab, which is 788 pesos. Yung half slab naman is actually 488 pesos lang. And then imagine, guys, for the pork chop, it's just 88 pesos and the barbecue is just 88 pesos lang din. Grabe, if you're kumbaga nagtitipid ka naman and naghanap ka ng sobrang sarap na barbecues, go for this one, guys. It's just 88 pesos. A little bit information about Ribs and Chops. Actually, they are a Texas-style barbecue, no? So, yung owner natin is taga-Texas talaga. So, alam niyo yung first-hand experience kung ano yung lasa ng mga Texas barbecue. And these are actually very famous. Actually, silang pinaka-famous barbecue style sa Amerika, which is, yeah, the Texas-style barbecue. And kagandahan dito, guys, aside from, you know, your personal consumption, pwede nitong pang regalo. A birthday, a special occasion, napakagandang giveaway nito. This is their takeaway box. Ayan, napakaganda, guys. Of course, perfect din pa rin siya sa mga salo-salo sa bahay and probably sa office, no? Sabi nga sa inyo, these are really premium meat and at the same time, sobrang premium ng lasa at an affordable price. Very affordable, guys. Imagine, 788 pesos. Sulit na sulit, guys. So, what are you waiting for? Call the numbers that we are providing and or check out the page that we're gonna be including dun sa information section sa baba nito. Ooh, alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, I hope you stay safe and I hope to see you there. Peace out, guys. Bye.